Alright, so welcome back to Whitehouse Farm. We're going to do a little review, or actually I should say my son's going to do the work on it. I'm going to do the review, see how good he cuts with it. We got the 20 volt brushless weed whacker from Dewalt. So we already popped it open a little here, just take a peek. But let's go ahead and unbox it and see what we got here, and then put it to the test here, see how it works. So box, what's in this? What's in that? Here, open that up.
Yeah, I'll do my best.
Alright. So I guess this is how it works. Danny, you just go across the grass and
Okay. Stilt.
Well, this apparently
Yeah, one side.
a little push button there. Connect it. Alright. So nothing else in the box there. What'd you get out of that box? What is it?
Starload black.
Oh, looks like the holder. Here, hold this. Alright. Oh. Comes with the 2 screws to connect it and the Allen wrench. So here you go. I'll let you put that together.
Okay.
Goes right there.
Wait.
There you go. You need the screws to do
yeah,
it.
Well, I have a feeling. What is the... How does the handle go? Like this?
Well, let's see.
Where does it go? I think it goes...
This thing, I'm assuming you can turn. Well, look at the picture. See how the picture is? They have it going on the front here. So you hold it like this.
Okay.
See the picture?
So I guess it can go like that.
That's probably what those instructions were for that you threw over there.
Yeah, just something on that.
Let me see the other one, Jamie.
Okay.
So, probably cut that off, but we'll leave that on there. So when you take it apart, it just doesn't flop out with the wire on it. Kind of holds it, so that's good. The Allen wrench. Alright, so here's a look at her. DeWalt 20 volt. And you got the high-low. Safety and trigger. And then the back here. So I guess
Battery goes right in the top.
got a XR brushless battery here.
20 volt.
And full charge. So we'll see how much this can get done from this one little battery.
The wires taped up.
There you go. And it's got the black and gold DeWalt string trimmer, string for it, but obviously you can put whatever you want in there. And this has the automatic bump, so you bump it and it'll kick these out, and if it's too long, your cutter here will cut them, so that way it's as long as it can be right there. So got it on, I'll do low right now. I'm going to depress the safety button and the trigger. Ooh,
Oh, that's quiet.
that's very quiet. Okay. I already like how quiet this thing is.
It takes the battery.
Normally we got with our steel gas-powered one, which is a great weed whacker, and we're definitely gonna keep using that. But this is great for him to go around and start doing stuff. Yeah. Okay, that's the high button there. All right. So I'm gonna want him to do all this around the pool decking here. All right, Danny, you're up.
Okay. So we'll just down on this.
Yep.
And then just how low?
Yeah, hang on. Let's get your glasses on you.
Probably.
All right, there's your safety glasses.
Low down like
Go ahead and get it.
Like this, down on the ground.
Yep. All right, dude, get down this way now.
Yep.
Look at what I mean is,
I know, I can just hold on.
but like, when you rake the side.
Yeah, I don't really know how long this thing works.
Here. Baby woolly bear.
Shut off.
Bring it over.
I can smell it.
So this was just a 2 amp battery, and did all this around through here and that up through there, and that thing burned up pretty quick. So I have 6 amp, I have 5 amp, but I wanted to try 2 amp and see how long that lasts. So you can get a tiny bit done. So you're definitely gonna need the bigger batteries for it. So let's throw a bigger one in here and get going. So all the big batteries are charging right now, just because we've been using them like crazy here. But another 2 amp fully charged. Go ahead. Luckily this little guy didn't get hit. Here. He's pretty cool. All right, take him, Danny.
Put him over in the grass.
Yeah, over by the garden.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put him over where the logs and stuff.
All right, so it was getting dark last night, so I told Danny he could finish up later. Plus, we had to go ahead and make sure we had some of our larger batteries charged up. This is the 5 amp, and got full charge on it. You can see cut through here already last night. Did all this, and he got down to right about here. So. Go ahead and finish up doing around the pool here. All right, turn you away from the sun here. So there we go. This thing actually, it works pretty good. You do have to make sure that you have the larger batteries for it though. The little 2-amp ones, they don't last that long. Or, yeah, so works good. Easy for my son to use. Lightweight. You don't need earmuffs for it. You don't need gas, oil. Just make sure you got plenty of batteries. And only other downside I see to it is this right here. This piece should be a little wider because you do get a lot of stuff thrown back at you. But other than that, I mean, it's a weed whacker and it works good. And good thing is my son gets to use it. So here you go, Danny. This is now yours. You can go ahead and weed whack the entire property.
Yeah.
All right.
I already got the garden.
All right. So we hope you guys like, enjoy, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye. All right. So if you guys are interested in picking up one of these brushless Dewalt 20-volt trimmers, go ahead and check out my description down below. There's a link to Amazon in there. Go ahead and click on that and it'll bring you right to this, and you can purchase one and go ahead and get your kids out there, start doing some yard work. This thing worked out great, and I'm definitely gonna put my son to work with it, and he actually likes it, so it's fun for them to do, and you get the stuff done around the house. So all right, check out the description, click that link, and you can get one for yourself. All right, see you guys. Bye. You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me. All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo. Hi, guys.